Hey people, so we are at this place called Churollto, and this is for 368 rupees. You get this thing known as Churollto with praline.
Churros.
Okay, so churros. I don't know why it's called churros. Let me see how it tastes. Ayush, how does it taste? It's all for you, my friend. Why, my child? Okay, let me also. Okay.
I like it.
Okay, fine. Okay, if you like it, then maybe I should order something that is. But even I can have some, right?
But if you don't like it,
It's like okay for me.
you should not force yourself.
Oh, like that. Yeah, so this is nice.
You should not force yourself because you're doing bad for both of us.
Okay. Okay, okay, maybe. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate this?
Then
Okay, nice.